What's the difference between prepaid insurance and insurance expense? Prepaid insurance is one of the other accounts under prepayments. By that I mean an expense or something to be consumed but is going to be paid in advance first. When talking about insurance, prepaid insurance is that portion that paid in advance and not yet consumed. Hence is still an asset, current asset to be exact. Now once consumed, whether partial or full, that portion used or sometimes referred to as expired will be converted to expense, specifically using the account title Insurance Expense. Example, on August 15, 2030, paid $24,000 for a full year insurance starting September 1, 2030. Prepare the journal entry using asset method on August 15 and adjusting entry at the end of December 2030. By the way, there are two methods to record prepayments, but for now let us stick with the requirement which is using the asset method for simplicity. So, August 15, 2030, we have debit prepaid insurance 24,000, credit cash 24,000. Now here's the analysis. The asset, which is the prepaid insurance because it is still unused, is equal to 24,000 at this point. Expense, or the used portion, which is specifically the insurance expense, is equal to 0 because it is still the start. On December 2030, adjusting entry will be debit insurance expense 8,000 computed as 24,000 divided by 12 months times 4 months expired. So, 8,000. Credit prepaid insurance 8,000. Now, let us analyze. On December 2030, asset, which is the prepaid insurance, is now 16,000. We're talking about the actual balance here. So, why is it 16,000? It's the 24,000 initial recording minus the used 8,000 or the expired portion. Now, that expired portion, which is 8,000 again, goes to our expense account. So, the insurance expense. Now, mind that when we prepared the adjusting entry, we debited and credited the amount used for the asset method only, not the actual balances. Again, for the asset method only, we are using the amount used for asset method only, not the actual balances. Why? Because adjusting entry is that what you do to bring the accounts to their correct balances, which is in this case, again, the actual balances for the prepaid insurance is 16. So from 24, how come it became 16? We deducted 8,000. That's why we credited prepaid insurance 8,000.